In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Smartsheet template. Smartsheet is an incredibly powerful tool for managing projects, keeping track of tasks, and organizing data, and by customizing templates, you can streamline workflows and make the application truly work for your specific needs. To get started, first, navigate to your Smartsheet home or workspace. This is your dashboard and serves as the launching pad for all your projects and sheets. From here, look for the option to create by clicking on the plus icon. This will lead you to a menu where you need to select View All Templates. This area offers a comprehensive library of templates created to serve various purposes, from project management to event planning. Once you've found a template that fits your needs, click Create from Template. This will generate a new sheet using the template of your choice, allowing you to customize it to your heart's desire. Now, the real fun begins with editing and personalization. Start by editing the columns. You might want to rename them for clarity, delete any that are irrelevant, or add new ones that better fit your project requirements. Changing column types can also improve the way your data functions and is displayed. Common options include text/number, drop-downs for select options, checkboxes for binary data, and date columns for scheduling. The rows too are key to customization. You can add new tasks or data entries as required, or streamline your sheet by removing unnecessary rows. If your template includes formulas, ensure they align with your project's specific calculations, and tweak them if needed by clicking on any formula cell to adjust its content. Don't forget the visual aspects. Customizing the formatting can significantly enhance the user experience. You can apply conditional formatting to highlight important data, use color coding to differentiate categories, or simply bold text to draw attention to particular details. This makes your sheet not only functional but visually appealing and easy to scan. If additional context is needed for specific rows, the attachments and comments feature will be useful. Add files or leave notes for you and your team right within the sheet. Plus, automation tools such as alerts and workflows can send out notifications and reminders based on the criteria you set, keeping everyone updated without manual input. Finally, if your edited template turns out to be a perfect hit, consider saving it as a new template for future use. Simply click on File and select Save as Template. This way you won't have to start from scratch every time. You can access your personalized template whenever you need it. By mastering these steps, you'll be able to transform any Smartsheet template into a dynamic, tailored tool that meets your exact project needs. Follow along, take your time experimenting, and make Smartsheet truly work for you.